Waxpol Carnauba Hard Wax is the ultimate hard wax for the ultimate shine and protection. This is a do-it-yourself product. Polish in the shade on a cool, dry and clean surface. Take polish with light pressure. Evenly spread a thin coat with overlapping circular motion. Waxpol Carnauba Hard Wax is very easy to use. Let the polish dry to a haze for 2 to 3 minutes. Test if the polish has dried by performing a swipe test. If it streaks, it needs more time to dry. If it's clear, move on to the next step. Fold a microfiber and wipe off with overlapping to and fro motion. Work on small sections at a time. A second application is recommended. Get excellent water beading and protection from UV rays, acid rain and bugs, along with durable high gloss and shine. Waxpol Carnauba Hard Wax provides the ultimate protection and shine that lasts for months.